Most managers believe that leadership is about managing teams, setting goals, giving direction, and driving performance. But the truth is, real leadership doesn't happen in big meetings or presentations. It happens one person at a time. It's in those quiet, focused moments, the one-to-one conversations you have, or sometimes forget to have, where trust, motivation, and genuine engagement are born. When you sit down in a one-to-one meeting with a team member, you're not just checking progress or reviewing targets. You're saying, without words, I value you, you matter. Because people don't want to feel managed, they want to feel understood. And that only happens when we make time to connect as human beings. Think about it for a moment. How often do your people feel truly listened to? How often do they get space to express their ideas, share their frustrations, or ask for support without feeling judged? For most organizations, the honest answer is not very often, or not often enough. And yet, this is exactly where the magic of leadership lies. One-to-one meetings aren't a luxury or an extra task to fit in at the end of the week. They are the foundation of effective leadership. They help you build relationships based on trust. They allow you to spot small issues before they become major problems. And they give your people clarity, confidence, and a sense of belonging. When you take the time to really connect, something changes. You begin to understand not just what your team members do, but who they are. You'll learn what drives them, what holds them back, and what they need from you to succeed. And when that happens, performance doesn't need to be pushed. It flows naturally. People become more engaged, more motivated, and more aligned with the bigger picture. Because let's face it, people don't quit companies, they quit managers who don't listen. They quit managers who don't take the time to see them, to hear them, or to help them grow. But when you lead one-to-one, everything shifts. You create loyalty, you create accountability, and you create an environment where people want to give their best, not because they have to, but because they feel appreciated and respected and they really want to. That's exactly why I wrote my book, One-to-One, Managing Quality Time with Individuals for Engagement and Success. In it, I explore what these meetings can and should be, not a box-ticking exercise, but a genuine opportunity to build connection and purpose. You'll learn how to prepare effectively, how to structure your conversations, and how to follow up in ways that make people feel supported and empowered. You'll also discover the common mistakes managers make and how to turn every one-to-one into a powerful moment of leadership. Whether you lead a small team or an entire organization, the principle is the same. Great leadership doesn't start with great strategies. It starts with listening. It starts with empathy. It starts with meaningful one conversation at a time. So if you truly want to become the kind of leader people want to follow, start with the next one-to-one. Put down your phone, close your laptop, look the person in the eye, and really listen to them. Because it's in those moments that leadership becomes personal. It's in those moments that teams become stronger, and it's in those moments that success truly begins. You can find all the links to my book, One-to-One, in the description and in the comments just underneath this video. Take the time to read it and start leading differently, one conversation at a time. Thank you for listening. See you soon.